towards the door so that we get this corner bit. Because it's like, yeah, alright, come on. Right, oh, hang on. Come back. Wait there. Pull up that. Look, go back. Pull up the black thing, pull it up. It should pull up. Keep going. That's it. Right. Right, I'm in through my side. You have to go. Hang on.
This is going to have to move.
Wait. That's it. Hang on. Right, I've got to talk. Hang on. Come in as it is. That's it. Right, now. Hang on. You in?
The other trolley was better.
Wait. You know my trolley's going for sale, yeah? Yeah? The antique roadshow. Them guys were chasing me down the road for it, you know?
10:30, I shall put it to 11:15. Thank you.
Oh, you know what?
Keep going, just keep going.
Oh my God, it's gonna drop!
I got it.
What did he do in the first place? Sack that person. Sack him. Who did it? Who did that then? Where's it going, around there?
Yeah.
Finally, that took him an hour.
Huh?
For the purpose of the video.
I reckon it was 2 hours. He's just late on the video, weren't you?
Yeah, we're not right now. Now it's where's it gonna go?
Where's it? Oh,
It's going right there.
Get it in the house,
Spin it
not in
around,
the
yeah?
kitchen.
Oh no, it's the wrong one!
oh we'll just take it back.
It's the wrong one.
Let's take it back.
You're going to take the piss in now.
Actually,